How to use the Hebrew tools. Because we designed Jigzi with Jewish studies and Hebrew teachers in mind, we have optimized the Hebrew tools available to you. Whenever there is a text box in Jigzi, there are 3 buttons that appear above the input field. If you do not have a Hebrew keyboard, don't worry. Open Jigzi's Hebrew keyboard and click within the field that you want to type into. Then start typing. The Jigzi Hebrew keyboard is arranged alphabetically for people who are not used to the regular Hebrew keyboard layout. You can also add vowels and ta'amei mikra. Oh, and if you start typing in Hebrew, Jigzi will automatically align the text to the right and type from right to left. If the keyboard is hiding an important area, simply drag it to another position. If you want to add the Hebrew vowels, but you are not sure about the correct vowels, use our handy knockdown. Click the DICTA button to open it. Copy the word you want to add vowels to. Make sure that there are no vowels already in the word. Then paste it into the DICTA dialog. It will automatically add vowels. Now copy the word and its vowels back into the Jigzi field. The third button, the samek, is to open up Sefaria within Jigzi. You can find any verse in English or Hebrew in the Tanakh and other Jewish writings. If you want the Hebrew text with vowels only, click the A on the top right corner and toggle off cantillation. When you have found the verse that you want, copy it from Sefaria and paste it into the text box in Jigzi. And those are the cool Hebrew tools in Jigzi.